Hi guys, in this quick video I will show you how to download and install custom cursors in your Windows computer. Let's go. So if you head on to this website, deviantart.com, here you have so many options to choose from. We have free cursors and there are paid cursors as well. In this video I'm going to be showing you two samples of free cursors you can get from this website. Starting with this Jeffrey Creations, this guy is doing an amazing job. Shout out to him. Before you download anything from this website, you need to create a free account. Okay, it's very easy and there's no cost whatsoever. Once you get that out of the way, go right here to this download icon, click on it, head on to the file location, highlight on the zip file, click on extract all, click extract, open this cursor folder. You can make your choice if you want the dark one or the light one. I'm going to go for the light one. Highlight on install, right click on it, click install. Click on open, select yes if prompted. So now we have the mouse properties and pointers. Okay, go to mouse properties and pointers, go right here, expand it. This is the list of all the cursors that are currently installed in this computer. From this list you can make your choice, and now we're looking for the one we just installed. That is the Cursor Concept 3 Lite Free by Jeffrey Creations. Select it, click on apply. Once you get this prompt, choose yes. Now as you can see, we have this new cursor. Okay, that is just how you do it. So I'm going to click on OK. Now, should in case your mouse properties doesn't open automatically, you can go right here to your Windows and search for mouse settings. Okay, click on mouse settings, then go to additional mouse settings. That should open your mouse properties. Okay, I'm going to close this. Now head on back again. Now here's the second option I'm introducing to you on the free cursor category. And once again, click on this download icon. Now navigate to the downloads. Here's the cursor pack. Highlight on it, right click on it, select extract all. Click on extract. And here we have about 12 free cursors here. Of all these options, now you can choose any one, or you can actually play around with it and see which one you like. I'm going to start with this Fluent V3 cursors. I'm going to go for the light blue, open the folder. Now go all the way down to install, highlight on it, right click on it, click install. Select open. All you have to do is to click on OK. Just click on OK and select yes. So here we have a different cursor. Okay, now if you go back again to the free pack, if you go for the glow cursors, if I go for the glow dark blue this time, right click on it, select install, click on open. Click OK, choose yes. So here's a different one, a dark cursor with a blue outline, which is looking good. And we can try another one. Let's try the neon cursors. Let's try the neon light. Right click on it, install, open it, then click OK, choose yes. Okay, now we have a different cursor. Now how do you remove these cursors if you don't want them anymore? Go to your mouse settings. Now here in your mouse settings, scroll down a bit, click on additional mouse settings, go on to pointers. You want to look for that cursor that you don't need anymore. Now if I want to remove this, all I have to do is to select it, then click on delete, select yes. So after deleting it, click on browse. So here is where you find the containing folder for all these cursors. So as you can see, the one I just deleted is still here. Right click on it and select delete. Now the cursor is completely removed from my computer. So that's going to be all for now, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also share your thoughts at the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace out.